Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by placing your clip into a sequence that matches its frame size and frame rate, because mismatched settings distort motion. Once the clip is in place, select it and open Effect Controls to expose motion. Now scrub to the frame where the zoom begins and click the stopwatch to add scale and position keyframes. This anchors the starting values. Make sure the playhead is precise. Use arrow keys if needed, because keyframe placement determines timing and smoothness of the zoom. Next, move the playhead to where the zoom should finish and set the final scale and position keyframes to frame the subject. Once both start and end keyframes exist, right-click them and choose Ease In or Ease Out to soften the acceleration. This feels more cinematic. Then open the graph editor to inspect the speed graph. Pull handles to shape acceleration and deceleration. Adjust spatial interpolation if pans look off, and scrub repeatedly to verify the motion feels natural and maintains subject framing. To finish, add subtle motion blur or use the transform effect with shutter settings to enhance perceived smoothness. If zooming reveals camera shake, apply warp stabilizer before final keyframing or nest the clip and stabilize the nested sequence. Once done, render a small preview to inspect for artifacts. If you see jitter, revisit keyframe tangents in the graph editor and reduce abrupt slopes. And if scale causes quality loss, undo to a slightly smaller final scale or use higher resolution source footage as a fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.